Welcome back, my loves and my lovelies. Just a quick update of the container garden. It stormed real bad last night, so here we are. I just came out here this morning to look, and everything looks so beautiful. Everything looks so beautiful. Look at them. Everything looks so beautiful, guys. It's just a update. I might as well say an update. I just could not pass without showing you guys how beautiful the garden looks this morning. It just looks so beautiful. So beautiful. And I don't have to water today because the rain did that for me. You guys leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Everything just looks so beautiful, green and beautiful. These jalapenos look so good. And the bell peppers are coming along. Everything looks so beautiful. Even my raspberry and blueberry and blackberry bushes have some new growth on them. Pineapples are looking scrumptious. Okay, guys, this is it for this update. I will catch you guys in the next video.